Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional, the puzzles left. There are three puzzles left in the additional. Not in today's newspaper on Monday, October the 30th, 2023. No, it's the edition of Saturday, October the 28th. Sunday, October the 29th, 2023. Three puzzles are left. Told you. The letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and the jigsaw Sudoku with 1 star. And this will be number, I believe, 73601. 7361. Alright, so let's get started. By the way, for letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And before I start, I always count the printed, in this case, letters. 27 printed letters. And the goal is to solve this word. It's a Dutch word. And the letters that I can use are these letters. Are unique letters. The I, the N, the A, the E, the G, the M, the D, the S, and R. Alright, so let's get started. Okay. Need a G, need an E here. Yeah. E in the third column, E in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places left for the E should be here. Or there we see an E in this row, no E there. E should be here. Need an E here. Need an I here. Four missing letters in this big square. Two of those missing letters are the N and the M. We have N and M in this row. No N and M in these two boxes. N and M goes in those two boxes as a pair. So what are the other missing letters in this big square? Those missing letters are the G is missing. And the G and the the G and the D. G and a D. Okay. Alright, so we have a the last row. One of the missing letter is a G in the last row. We need a G here. But we have a G in this column, no G there. Here, a G in this column, no G there. The only place left for the G should be here. The I in this row, last row, I in the row above. So in that row, only two places left for the I should be here. Or there, we see an I in this column, no I there. I should be here. I. Need an I here. Need an I here. I should be here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is I. We have I in the first row, no I. Oh well, we have two missing letters. We have I and A in the first row, so no I and A in these three boxes. We have I and A in this first column, so no I and A in these three boxes. The I and A goes in those two boxes as a pair. I and A. I and A, okay. So we have an I in this column, I in one of those two boxes in the second column. So the third column, only two places left for the I should be here or there. See an I in the middle, well, no I there. I should be here. G should be here. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing letters in the first column. One of the missing letters is a G. Here can be a G because we have a G in this row, no G there. Here can be a G because we have a G in the third row, no G there. And here can be a G because we have a G in the second row, no G there. Only place left for the G should be here. Right. D. D in the last column, D in the column next. So that column, the only place level D should be there. So 2 missing letters here. For the letters, need a R. Well, we have a R in this big square, so no R there. So the R should be here. And we need a letter, I believe the letter N. Yep, we need an N. And an M, we have an N in this row, no N there. N should be here. M goes there. N, M, need an M here or there. We have an M in this column, no M there. M should be there. So one letter is missing in the last row for letter A, I believe. Yeah. The M in this column, M in that column, so the column between middle column, only place left for the M should be here. Need an R here. One, two, three, four, five missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is A. We have A in this column, no A in these 3 boxes here, and A in this row, no A in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the A in this big square. Should be here. I and A, we have an A now in the second row, no A there. A should be here, and I should be here. So we have I in the first row, I in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left with I should be here. You have all the I's, yes. And all the I's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number I. Letter number 1, letter I. Need an E here. Need an A here. Need a R here. Need a D here. Come on. R in this column, third column, R in the first column, so the column between the second column, only place left the R should be here. Well, I believe yeah. With R in this row, R in the last row, so the row between the only 3 places left for the R should be here or there. We see on this middle column, no R there. R could be here, could be there. G and a D. Well. D. Need an S here. S. Need an N here. 1, 2, 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters. So again, 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the letter N. We have an N in the third column, no N there. Here, and in the second row, no N there. Only place left for the N in this big square. Should be here. Need an N here. 2 missing letters now in this big square for letters. D is missing. And the letter G and the M is missing. G and the M. Again, D and the M. D and the M. D and the M are missing. Well, cannot fill this yet. Here also D and M. D, M, 3 missing letters. D, M. And the E is missing. E. Need the E here and need the E there. Need the N here. Need the N there. Well, we have here 6 missing letters. One of the missing letters is the N. We have an N in the middle column, so no N in these 3 boxes. So the N should be in one of these 3 boxes. Remember this. Okay, now we have 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the N. We have an N in this row, no N there. We have an N in the second row, no N there. So the N could be here, could be there. Well, I've told you we have an N in one of these 3 boxes in this column. So no N there, N should be here. Okay. D, M, and the S is missing. We have an S here. So this should be the D or a M. D, M. Oh, no. D, E, and S. But here, D, E, M. Well, this is not correct. We already have an M here. D or the E. Need the S there. Oh, one letter is missing in this row. One letter S. So the D and the E are left. D and the E. Yeah. D, E, and the R. D, E, and the R. We have a D here. We have R here in this row. So the only letter left in this column should be the E here. Now we have an E here, so this cannot be E anymore. This must be the D. That box should be an E. Alright, so one letter is missing in this column for letter R, I believe. Yeah. R, need a R here. Well, we have R in this row, no R there. R could be here, could be there. E in this column, E in that column, so the column between the middle column, only 3 places left for the E should be here or D there. We have an E in this row, no E there. E in that row, no E there. So the only place left for the E should be here. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. S is missing. S and the S and a D. S, D, and need an A here. A in this column, A in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the A. Could be here, could be there. Come on. One letter is missing. No, D and the M is missing here. Well, we have a D in this column. No D there. D should be here. Oh, no. We already have a D. The M and the... This is not correct. D or the M. Well, we have a... This should be the M then. And this should be the D. We already have a D here. So one letter is missing in this row. Is the letter E. Misdragen. In 15 minutes. Well, in English, it's misbehavior. Misbehave. Yeah. Alright. So one letter is missing in this big square for letter D. Two missing letters in this big square for letters S and the M. We have a D, G, and a D. We have a D in the third column, so this should be the D, and this should be the G. One letter is missing in this column. I believe the M is missing. M here should be the M. S and the D. Okay. D, yeah, D in this row, D in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the D should be here. And I've eliminated the R, so the R goes there. In this row, R in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places left for the R should be here or there. We have a R in the last column, no R there. R should be here. Then S and the D. S and the, oh, we have a D now, so this box should be the D. This box should be an S. One box is left in this column for letter G, I believe. G. No. We have a G here. M, D, S. The S, I believe. Yeah. No, the S we have here. S in this column, S in that column, so the column between only two places left for the S goes together with the A. So one letter is missing here, still one letter, the N, I believe, here. N. Two missing letters here. N is missing. And N is missing, and come on. And the G. S and the G. No. We have a S here. G and the N. G and the N. We have an N in the last column. No N there. N should be here. And the G goes there. Two missing letters in this big square. For letters S is missing. And G is missing. We have a G in this row. No G there. G should be here. And the S goes there. S and A, we have an S in this row, no S there. S should be here. A goes there. One more letter is missing in this row for letter, I believe that A. Two missing letters in this big square for letters M and N is missing. We have an N in this column, no N there. N should be here. M goes there. S and a M, we have an M in the last column, no M there. M should be here. S goes there. S in the last column, S in that column, so the column between the only two places left, and S should be here on there. We have an S in this row, no S there. S should be here. One box left in this row for letter, I believe the A. And the final two letters in this big square for letters. E is missing. Well, we have an E in this column, no E there. E should be here. And the G is missing, I believe. Yeah, G is missing. Finished. 19 minutes. Well, told you I need 15 to 90 minutes to solve. And we solved again, and I like this one here, so we'll do things so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other two puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.